Alara's fingers tightened around the glass eye. The alley seemed to close in around her, the air suddenly thick and heavy. The lantern, which had previously cast a warm, inviting light, now pulsed erratically, casting long, distorted shadows that writhed and twisted on the moss-slick walls. She could hear the faintest sound of scratching, as if something were scuttling just out of sight, just beyond the reach of the flickering light. Ignoring her instincts to flee, she held the glass eye up to the light. It didn't reflect the surroundings as a normal eye would. Instead, it showed a swirling vortex of deep blues and purples, a miniature galaxy trapped within the polished glass. As she watched, a constellation of tiny, pinprick lights flared to life within the vortex, forming a pattern she immediately recognized, the ancient star chart of the celestial swan, a formation she'd studied countless times in her dusty old books. She looked up at the patch of night sky visible from the courtyard, but the stars were hidden by the city's light pollution and a low-hanging fog. The map was indeed in the stars, but not the ones above her. The key, as the whisper had said, was in the silence. Alara realized she had to leave the city, to find a place where the stars were not obscured, where the silence was not broken by the distant clang of bells or the distant hum of the city. The glass eye felt heavier now, pulling her toward an unknown destination. It wasn't just a clue, it was a compass guiding her. As she turned to leave the courtyard,